What's going on, people of the internet? We got our little Super C sandblasted here. Let's check it out. Look at that. Now, Darren from A&D Coating Removal, he does all our sandblasting and he does a great job. He's a mobile guy, so if you're in the Northwest Ohio area, he's the guy to call. We've been working with him since like probably 2008, 2009. Does a very outstanding job. And he's fair priced, easy to work with, and he'll come right to you, so that's good. So what's next? Well, we're gonna go ahead and get this little guy up on some stands, get the wheels and stuff off, and finish taping here and there, stuff we don't want painted, and we're gonna go ahead and get her shot maybe this weekend. And we are going to shoot it with Sherwin-Williams Shurkin Industrial Enamel. And we've been shooting that stuff for a really long time, and it's actually really good stuff. It holds up well, easy to spray, and looks good. And it's really affordable, so that's good. So we're gonna get this guy shot with color and get him running again, and to get new rubber put on the wheels. We got a couple new front rims coming for it. So we'll get him running to drive-in and all painted and pretty. And then we'll turn our attention to all the tin work, which is the most important part, right? You gotta keep it nice and pretty. So, that is it for this dude. And we'll keep you up to date on it when we get ready to shoot some color. Make sure you see it. Make sure you're following us on social media and whatnot. You'll see all the updates on there. All right, see you guys. Thanks.